Taking a look at an Alpha 91B. Big ass transformer. High voltage diodes. High voltage capacitors. Runs a pair of 4 CX800 steel tubes. Pretty rugged. Probably lasts forever. I blew the dust out of it. Oiled the blower. I wired it for 110. You can wire it anywhere from 90 to 250 volts. You just move the jumpers and the wires around like the book says. I'm going to put a 110 plug on it, fire it up, see what it does. Cool amp. Let's give this thing 20 watts, carrier AM. Line up the marks, switch it to amp, let's give it 50 watts, side bin, AC 3 dB, Alpha Charlie 3 Delta Bravo, there's 10,000 watts or so, let's give it 60 watts, AC 3 dB, Alpha Charlie 3 Delta Bravo, 1300 watts, let's give it 70 watts drive. AC 3 dB, Alpha Charlie 3 Delta Bravo. There's legal limit out, wired for 110. That's a good running amp. It'll go more, especially if you hook it up to 220. The Alpha 91B.